I just come down to my 3D printer to see how my 13-hour Superman print did. So, looks like it completed. Now we have to get it off the bed and clean it up. All that around it is support material. All that comes right off, hopefully. Sometimes it's a little harder to come off then, but it should come right off like that. So, after I'm done cleaning him up a bit, I'll come back to see, let you know how good he's doing. Okay, I took him off the print bed. And I'm about to clean him up. Just want to show him how he looks before I clean him up. Man, look at all the support material. Crazy. See if it's too difficult to come off. We'll find out in a minute. All right, I'm gonna pause it for a minute and see how he cleans up. Well, this is getting there. Just took some of it off so to show you. Okay, and I'll continue a little bit further along. Okay, it's coming out. Okay, just have a little cleanup to do. Not too bad. I mean, more than I would like, but I'll do his face. Okay, this is the fast and dirty cleanup. I will now come back and clean him up completely. Give you a little close up on him. No, not too bad. A little more support than I would have liked. I wish I would have sliced them with a different slicer that I could actually put the supports where I'd wanted them. But I was kind of in a rush and I just did it with the full support option on Replicator G. Alright, clean it up completely and put another picture of how it looks when I'm done. Alright guys, thank you. Alright, here it goes. All cleaned up and painted. Let's get a little close up. Looks like a bronze statue. It's really cool. It's still not fully dry, so I'm holding it with a little pincer there. But came out pretty decent, I think. Back, if I can't twist my arm all the way around, but the back came out pretty good too. There we go. Okay.